Have you ever deleted a contact on WhatsApp only to see them reappear? You're not alone. This can be incredibly frustrating. This happens for several reasons, including synced contacts from your device or linked accounts that restore deleted entries automatically. First, ensure the contact is deleted completely from your phone's address book. Open your Contacts app to check and delete again if necessary. Next, check for any cloud accounts associated with your phone that might restore contacts. This includes Google, iCloud, and others. Once you've made your changes, it's crucial to refresh your WhatsApp contacts. Simply go to your contact list and tap Refresh. Lastly, if problems persist, consider uninstalling and reinstalling WhatsApp to reset its contact database. Back up your chats first. To prevent future issues, regularly manage your contacts and check linked accounts that might interfere with deletions. Also, consider clearing the cache of your WhatsApp application. This can help solve minor glitches and improve performance. Maintaining a clean contact list is essential for seamless communication. Keep your device organized for the best experience. If you still face issues, reaching out to WhatsApp support can provide additional insights and solutions for your specific case. Remember, keeping your contacts in check will enhance your overall WhatsApp experience. Enjoy clutter-free chats. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for similar tips.